Today we are discussing about marketing strategy of Epson. Product innovation. Epson has always been known for its innovative products, especially in the field of printing and imaging solutions. Their marketing strategy focuses on highlighting the unique features and technologies incorporated into their products, positioning themselves as a leading brand in the industry.
Customer-centric approach. Epson's marketing emphasizes understanding customer needs and pain points. They work on creating solutions that address these needs and align their marketing messages to resonate with their target audience.
Diverse product portfolio. Epson offers a wide range of products, including inkjet and laser printers, scanners, projectors, and other imaging-related devices. Their marketing strategy involves segmenting the market and targeting different customer groups with specific products that cater to their requirements.
Environmental sustainability. Epson has been conscious of its environmental impact, and their marketing strategy reflects this by highlighting their efforts in developing eco-friendly products and promoting environmentally responsible practices.
Digital marketing and online presence. Epson invests significantly in digital marketing to reach a global audience. They maintain a strong online presence through their website, social media channels, and online advertising to engage with customers and promote their products.
Corporate social responsibility, CSR. Epson's marketing strategy includes showcasing their CSR initiatives, promoting activities related to education, environmental conservation, and community development, which helps build a positive brand image. Partnerships and collaborations. Epson collaborates with other companies and organizations to expand their market reach and create joint marketing campaigns to cross-promote products and services. Trade shows and events. Epson actively participates in industry trade shows and events to showcase their latest products and technologies, interact with potential customers, and network with partners and industry professionals. Localized marketing. Epson tailors its marketing efforts to suit the cultural and linguistic preferences of different regions, ensuring that their messages resonate with local audiences effectively. Customer support and after-sales services. Epson's marketing strategy also includes promoting their customer support and after-sales services to build trust and long-term relationships with customers. Remember that marketing strategies can evolve over time based on market dynamics, competition, and other factors. It's essential to refer to Epson's latest marketing materials, press releases, and official communications to get the most up-to-date information on their current marketing strategy.